Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Calendar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete a Google Calendar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a Google Calendar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing consulting, you know that sometimes you have to set up a specific Google Calendar for your employees or sometimes for your customers, but you're no longer working in that part of the business. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Calendar. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Calendar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete one of your Google Calendars, here on the left side, you're going to see all of them. And all you're going to do is just hover over the calendar that you want to delete. So for example, this one here, Twitter marketing. Once you do that, you're going to see these three little dots. Go ahead and click on there. Once you click there, you're going to see these three options, but you want to click on settings and sharing. Okay, guys, so here you're going to be in the calendar settings. First off, you want to make sure you're working in the right calendar because you don't want to delete the wrong calendar. So this one is Twitter marketing calendar. I'm sure I want to delete this. Next, what you're going to do is scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see remove calendar. So there's a very important difference between the two of these. So if you had subscribed to somebody else's calendar for work or for some other reason, and you no longer want to see their events on your calendar, you can go ahead and just unsubscribe. But you're not going to have access to that calendar to view it or to edit or whatever you had. But if you're the owner of the calendar, you can just permanently delete it. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm going to click on delete. All right, next you're going to get this pop-up. So it asks, are you sure you want to delete this calendar in Google? Now, when you delete it, you're going to lose access to the calendar, but also so is everybody else that you had shared the calendar with. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on permanently delete. Right now it's deleting. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that calendar has been removed from my Google Calendar. So I can no longer access that calendar and anybody else who was sharing that calendar with me. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how a Google Calendar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.